this recipe with shortcrust pastry, we'll prepare a tart with berries. Step 1. Prepare the custard cream. Pour the milk into a saucepan, add the lemon zest, place on medium heat and bring to a boil. In a bowl, place the egg yolks, sugar, salt, and whisk until lightly fluffy. Add the cornstarch, add hot milk while mixing. Put back in the saucepan over medium heat. Cook while stirring with the whisk until the cream thickens. Place the custard in a bowl, add the batter, and mix until it's completely incorporated. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let the custard cool. Step 2. Line the tart. Roll the shortcrust pastry in about 2 to 3 mm thickness. In a chart mold of 22 cm with 8.5 inches diameter, insert your shortcrust pastry, cut the excess dough from the edges. With a fork, pick your pie. Bake for about 25 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Step 3. Garnish the tart. Using a whisk, mix the custard until it has a smooth texture. Place it in the tart shell and spread evenly. Top with berries. Bon appétit!